Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am coming on today to do an unboxing from Melodyybywolltraum. And she sent some goodies to me and I will be showing you what she has to offer in her Etsy shop. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let me show you what I got. Business card. Then I have another cake here. Oh, and it's so soft. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. This is very, very nice. And also got some tea. It's called Stash Orange Spice. Ooh, it's a black tea. Awesome. Thank you so much. It's a blend of black teas, orange peel, cinnamon, orange oil, and clove bud oil. Excellent. Thank you so much, Brandy. I appreciate it. And look at these cakes. Oh my goodness. These are so nice. There is a pull tab. Look at this. Oh, it says gentleness. Can you all see that? This is so nice. It's very weighty too. Oh, this is nice. Each one of the charms are different. I decided to show you all on what I have. Here's another cute one. You could also make these into little stitch markers. So they definitely can be repurposed. Look at this. This is a little wing. Oh, it's so cute. A golden wing. I like it. This is nice. And look, I got a Christmas cake. This is the Happy Christmas. Oh, it looks like a lamb. No, it's a sheep. I think it's a sheep, you guys. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's heavy too. And this is how it's packaged. My Melody. I love that. And this is her website, www.melody with 2 Y's by wolltraum.etsy.com. And I will put a link in the description box. This is very beautiful. Let's see. This looks like it is a 4-ply. Yes, 4 strands. And also the little tinsel going through it. And it is soft. It is not rough or scratchy at all. Just so you know that. I also already had one available. So I waited until she sent me this order and I had this one. I had purchased this one previously. I did take my charm off. I am so sorry I can't show it. It's on my nightstand. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I decided to make a shawl with this. This yarn is made in Switzerland. Yes, gorgeous. And I started making it. This is going to be a butterfly shawl. And it works up really, really nicely. I guess I can show you guys a little bit. Take it for a little test drive so you can see it glides off of the hook very, very nicely. So you'll know, I know some people have not used this yarn before, so they may be kind of hesitant to purchase it, but I would like to say don't hesitate. It is easy to work with and it's not hard at all. And you see how I'm actually working through it. You may have to go down a hook size. I'm actually using a 5mm hook with this. There are patterns out there that require like a, a G hook, but I didn't want to go with the G because I have the tinsel running through it. Now, you can actually get the yarn without the tinsel in it. You don't have to get this flashy stuff going through it. Oopsies. Yeah, you don't have to get that. See, I pulled a string. Yes, this is optional. And I was telling you about the make your cake. She has an option where you can actually pick out your colors. So this is how quickly it's going. And it pulls out really nicely. See, pulls from the center very nicely. And that's why I like the little center pull tab. It's perfect. So since it was weighted and this is lightweight, I decided to take my charm off. But it's just a breeze. You see how that's working up? It's really lightweight. This would be the perfect yarn to use like for a scarf or whatever, and you want a scarf that's going, you could wrap around and keep warm but not be too hot. That will be this right here. And you don't have to put holes in it. You could actually, you know, eliminate that and do double crochets, treble crochets, or a different pattern to create, to make it a winter type project, scarf, shawl, etc., or top. But this is gorgeous. I love it. I've fallen in love with it, and I was hoping to be farther along, but I've got a lot of stuff going on, so I didn't get a chance to get into the other colors so you can pretty much see it. But I will make sure that I show this either on Instagram or in a video. Oh, I was going to say that this one right here is perfect for fall right now, for Thanksgiving. Think about maybe some doilies if you want to do one of those. I thought about doing it, but I had opted out on doing that because I thought this would be perfect to do as a shawl to wear for Christmas, during Christmas time. And also for the doily, I wanted to go with a plain one without that. So I think this would probably be perfect for a doily, and it's just super uber soft. And then I want to tell you what each of these, how many yards each one of them are, because I made sure that I got different ones so you can see what you're getting, and it's a lot. For me, for this, for one little cake like this, which I got previously, you got a lot of yardage off of this, and it is 150 grams, 570 meters. So this is a lot. This is going to be enough definitely to make a project, to make a scarf. You'll definitely have more than enough to complete a project on that. So like I said, I already had that one. So with this particular one right here, it's called the First Noel, and this is one of the Christmas ones. This was $24. This is a 4-ply. You could see, you could look really closely and see the 4-ply, the 4 strands there. This is an ombre yarn. It has the glitter going through, and this is 5.3 ounces, 620 yards. This blue one right here is called Blue Christmas. Very, very nice. Blue Christmas is with glitter, as you can see here, and this is the silver glitter. Now you can see the difference between the two, the silver and the gold. You see, hopefully you can, that's coming across in the camera. But I like the silver. I'm so glad I got this blue, but of course my theme is the ocean and the water, and I'm a sailor, so that's why I definitely got this one, the Blue Christmas. Look at that. packaged very nicely. This is made in Switzerland. And this particular one is 620 yards. This is a 4-ply, and it's 5.3 ounces. The next one here is a Super Love. Look at this. Very nice. This is a huge cake. Super soft, nice pinks and browns. And this is a dark pink, almost like a fuchsia color. This is 1,368 yards. So you can see the difference between this one and Blue Christmas. Okay, so you definitely, I'll move this out of the way. You will definitely get a lot out of this. You can make more than one project for sure with this one because it's 1,368 yards. This is a 3-ply. See if you look closely. You see that? It's 3-ply. And the price. This one is $30. And last but not least is the Happy Christmas, which is this one right here. And I love it. Let me turn the lighting down a little bit. You see the richness of that red? It's like a tomato red color. Tomato red. Look at that. Just a nice shimmer on there. Happy Christmas with a little Christmas tree. Thought that was really cute. This particular one is 830 yards. It is a 4-ply. And it's 7 ounces. So the difference between this one and this one. Perfect. This is definitely worth the money. Just look at the time and effort they put into making this great. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love all the colors. I just love the concept. And it's just a great product all the way around. What I would like for you to do is go to Brandy's Etsy shop. Go to her Etsy shop. Hit the love button. If you have some favorites, please hit the love button. Show her some love. This is the Etsy shop. The shop owner is Brandy. And she has some wonderful yarn. I know that you're going to love it. So, you'll see on the left-hand corner that she has a lot of items. All of the items, there are 403. There are 258 gradients. Any ready-to-ship items, if you click on that, these are the items that she has right away. You can also shop by most recent or by price. She has an array of different colors. Halloween, which is already gone. She has a lot of Christmas stuff. Let's see. Funny collection. Various colors there. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? Very nice. She also custom makes colors for you. So I would like you to all go over and check her out. She has some wonderful prices. Okay, let me go back up. There's a Madness collection, and look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? Now, if you click on one of these, I'll click on this last one here. Okay, the Madness collection. You will see that it says $14 plus, free shipping for anything over $150. if you look right there in the pull down menu, depending on how many yards you want is the price. You can pick whichever one you want. This is a 3-ply. If you look right here, it will give you details. This is a number 1 fingerling sock weight. This is cotton. The secondary fiber is acrylic. And it gives you all the information about the cake and how many colors are in there. So there's 8 to 12 colors in this particular Madness cake. It's a 3-ply light fingerling weight, and you can get a yardage from 547 yards to 2,734 yards. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. It's great for shawls, clothing, tops, beach cover-ups, scarves, dresses, baby clothing, lightweight blankets, and wraps. So if you would like any recommendations, Brandy can provide you with some. And each charm that you will see in the center will be different. It's not showing one here. Let's see if I can show you another one. This is the side to side collection, and you can, in some options, get to choose if you would like the darker color on the outside or the lighter color on the outside, which I thought was wonderful. So let's see. Also, Brandy was nice enough to offer us a 15% discount on anything that you purchase. And I will put all of the information in the description box and the time frame. This is the 11th, and November the 11th through the 18th. You should be able to use OLAJO 15. Capitalize OLAJO 15. And you can get 15% off your purchase. And she will be offering free shipping over a certain amount. And you will see in there, I want to say it's over $150. You could get the free shipping. Say, for instance, if you did order all of that, you could get the free shipping and 15% off of whatever that you purchase. So this is wonderful. Thank you, Brandy Seal. Thank you so much for your great quality yarn that you have. And like I said, go over there and check her out. I will put all of her information in the description box and put it down below, so you'll be able to check out what she has. If for some reason you cannot afford to get any of this, no worries at all. Just show her some love and give her a thumbs up. Give her that, hit that love button on Etsy, and she appreciate that you love her shop and what she has to offer for everyone. And you can order from her whenever you can. So thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you, Brandy, for offering this to us. We greatly appreciate it, and have a wonderful, blessed, and glorious day. Thank you, and bye-bye for now.